Did you know that most home fires that kill people happen at night when people are sleeping? Smoke from a fire won't wake you up, but smoke alarms can wake you if they're working. That's why it's so important to make sure your home has working smoke alarms. Keep your home safe. Where there is love, there are smoke alarms. Smoke alarms let you know a fire has started, even if you're in a different room. Their loud sound can wake you up if you're asleep when there's a fire. Smoke alarms give you time to escape. Make sure everyone in your home learns what the smoke alarm sounds like, so you'll have time to get out if you ever have a fire at home. Make sure all your smoke alarms are working all the time. Every home needs at least one smoke alarm installed on each level. Install a smoke alarm inside every bedroom and any other rooms where people sleep. You'll also need a smoke alarm installed outside the rooms where people sleep. You need time to get out. Keep all of your smoke alarms working always so they'll be ready to protect you. Not all smoke alarms are the same. Some use a 9-volt battery. These batteries should be replaced with a new one every single year. Some have a lithium battery that can't be removed. This type is known as a long-life smoke alarm. It's meant to last for many years. Instead of replacing the battery, you should replace the entire smoke alarm every 10 years. If the batteries in your smoke alarm start to run down, they'll make a warning noise that sounds like chirping. They do this to let you know that the battery is getting low. If you hear this chirping, put a new battery in as soon as possible. If your long-life smoke alarm chirps, you'll need to replace the smoke alarm with a new one. If your smoke alarm is installed too close to the kitchen, you might hear the alarm sound when you're cooking. If the smoke alarm sounds when you are cooking, don't remove the battery. Instead, you can make the sound stop by opening a door or window, or you can fan the air around the smoke alarm with a newspaper or towel. This is important. Do not take the battery out of your smoke alarm unless you are putting a new one in. Your smoke alarms need to work in case you have a fire. A home fire can be deadly. Smoke alarms can save your life. Where there is love, there are smoke alarms. Fire is everyone's fight. So keep all of your smoke alarms working all of the time.